My name is Philip and I'm the controller of LNS Japan. I'm in charge of IT, finance and HR. Here in Japan we produce chip conveyors. We have a factory of about 96 people total working with LNS Japan.
My name is Toru Toda. I'm a president of LNS Japan.
Kintone is a good fit for us because we need good processes, not just in the production side, but also in the area of administration and back office. And it allows us to quickly build such processes.
We have a factory in west coast of Japan, but we also have a sales office in Tokyo. And Kintone links this place seamlessly.
Initially we started to use Kintone for expense reporting. And after using it for a few weeks, we realized that we can use it for many other processes as well, and very quickly used it for time tracking, and then decided to use it for sales. It was so easy to build the app that I managed to build it and deploy it to our sales guys within about 3-4 hours. From the finance point of view, the sales app is very important because it gives us visibility of the sales that are upcoming and the probability of them to happen.
Kintone allows us to look at the data from a lot of different ways.
From my perspective, it's much better control. We see what's going on, I can see what people, how much they're spending, how they're spending it. There's a clear process for approval. And I think people are having also fun using it because now they can look at their expenses on the mobile phone, they can go online and enter their expenses, and it's much more fun than just typing in an Excel spreadsheet.
We were using a very advanced CRM. However, this is complex to use and we couldn't achieve our goal, which is to see the data. Today, Kintone is very easy to start, and also developing the format as our business grows. So Kintone is growing together with our business.
I think with the amount of data that we work with every single day, good reporting is really key. And Kintone is fulfilling my high expectations on the reporting side. So I'm very happy about it.